Talks Arabic YouTube channel has discussed with you in the first video 14 Arabic alphabets. Hope you have enjoyed and learned those letters. We will revise them here so that you can recall and understand it in a proper way. Let's revise. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Zai, Sin, Shin, Sad. You Talks Arabic today teach you another 14 letters. You need to focus on its pronunciation, sound, and shape of the letters with care, because many letters out of these are not seen in other languages, but it is easy and simple to learn. Lord, Lord. Please refer the picture for the articulation and the pronunciation. Ta, ta, Dha, Dha, Ain, Ain, Ghain, Ghain, Fa, Fa, Qaf, Qaf, Kaf, Kaf, Lam, Lam, Mim, Mim, Noon, Noon, Ha, Ha, Wow, Wow, Ya, Ya. Let's revise. Lord, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Ha, Wow, Ya. ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال را زاي سين شين صاد ضاد ضاء ظاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام